Hello, Dr. Cisse covering anatomy and physiology. Today I will talk about the heart. The heart. Let me draw the heart. And I'm going to tilt it to this side a little bit, like this. This pointy thing tells me this is the left side of the heart. This is the right side of the heart. The study of the heart is called cardiology. Cardiology. So cardiology is the study of the heart. What is the job of the heart? The function. The job of the heart is to pump blood through blood vessels to go serve every tissue, every cell of your body into nutrients and other things in blood. So the job of the heart is to pump blood. The heart pumps blood through blood vessels. Blood vessels. Blood vessels. And the blood vessel and the heart together make the cardiovascular system. So the cardiovascular system includes the heart and the blood vessels. But when you add blood to that, because it pumps blood, plus blood, it is called the circulatory system. So the heart and blood vessels, cardiovascular system, the heart, blood vessels, and blood, the circulatory system, because it circulates blood through the body. Where is the heart located? The heart is located in the chest, in the thoracic cavity. The thoracic cavity is divided from the abdominal cavity by the diaphragm. The diaphragm. So there's a diaphragm at the bottom here. The diaphragm here. So the heart is in the chest, in the thoracic cavity. It is between the two lungs. And the lungs, the cavity is just a hole, like a space. The lungs are in a space cavity called the pleural cavity, right? The left pleural and the right pleural cavity. And the heart is in between those two cavities. And it's in the area called the mediastinum. Mediastinum, like in the middle. Behind the sternum, there's a bone here called the sternum. The size of the heart, the way to memorize it, 6, 9, 12, about that. It is 6 centimeter from front to back, 9 centimeter from side to side here, and 12 centimeter from top to bottom. Now the top part of the heart is called the base of the heart. So this is gonna be the base. And this little pointy thing is called the apex of the heart. So the base is on the top, the apex at the bottom on the left side. So if you look at it inside the chest, we're facing the person right here, we're facing that person, it's not your own heart. So you can see by facing the person, their left is gonna be your right and their right is gonna be your left. That's why you see my right side, my right hand will be on the left side. So if you look at the shape of the heart, it looks like a triangle, right? So it's gonna be like this, like that, kinda, right? So the pointy thing will be the apex and the top will be the base. Let's look at the size of the heart again. You can tell that the very top is wide and the bottom is pointy. That is why when we talk about the function of the heart, you're gonna see that this is a wide and less space. So it's gonna kind of pump blood to the bottom one that's big and longer. So the top of the heart, these two chambers here are called the atria. So the left atrium, right atrium, and the right atrium here. And then the bottom one here is big are called the ventricles. Ventricles. So it has two of them. The right ventricle here and the left ventricle here. The right atrium here and the left atrium here. So basically, the heart is an organ. The study of the heart is called cardiology. The heart plus blood vessel is called cardiovascular system. The heart, blood vessel and blood is called the circulatory system. The heart has a top called the base, where the atria are located, and the bottom, the apex, where the ventricles are located, right? So this is gonna be the introduction about the heart. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in class.